because you are not knowing the value of very. If you are not 16, 20 students are admitting every day, no? 20.
Ma'am, the students are coming till 25 and all. In some classes, 25.
25 maximum, that's all.
Yeah,
Yeah,
till
ma'am.
25.
But
is
some
the
days and all.
means more students came.
When? Yesterday.
Not yesterday, ma'am. Before classes. Not yesterday.
Yesterday.
Ma'am, students was not coming to the regular classes because and the teacher started calling students.
Recorded classes. Okay, what is meant by fraction? How will you define fraction? Yes. Can you tell me what is meant by fraction? Yes, can you tell me what is meant by fraction? Now for the birthday, yes, tell me.
Ma'am, fraction is a number representing the part of a whole.
It is a part of the whole number. Now you are cutting the cake in your house. So 6 parts you are making or 12 parts you are making, and 1 part you will be given to your father, 1 part you will be given to your mother. So that 2 parts. So how will you denote it? If there are 12 parts, you can say that 1 out of 12, 1 part out of 12 you had given to your brother or sister or whoever be that. Okay. So 1 part you will be given to your parents. So you can say that it is a fraction. Out of how many parts you made totally? How many parts you made totally?
Ma'am, 4.
You made 12 parts. And out of 12 parts, 1 part you gave to your parents. 1 by 12. And 1 part you gave to your mother. And you are giving the, how many parts will be remaining? 10 parts?
Ma'am, 10 parts.
You are sharing to your.
Ma'am, there will
1 part
10
out
parts.
of 12, it is called the fraction. It is a part. 1 part is a part of the fraction. And how many pieces were there totally? How many pieces were there totally?
12.
How many pieces were there? 12 pieces were there. And you took 1 part out of it. And it is denoted by, how will you denote it? 1 by 12. If you are denoting that, you can say that it is a part. Okay. So what is the fraction here? What is the fraction? How many parts you took? 1 part you took. And then you gave 2 parts to your friends. And you gave 4 parts to your. So all this can be done. And this 1 is called, what is the name for 1? Can you tell me? In a fraction, there are 2 parts you can denote. In a fraction is having, 1 is called the numerator and the other one is called the
Denominator.
Okay, 1 part is called what? The numerator. The other part is called the denominator. Numerator here, 1 by 12. What is the numerator?
Ma'am,
1 is called the numerator.
Ma'am, 1 is the numerator.
Denominator. What is the
Denominator is 12.
What is the denominator?
12. 12 is the
Ma'am,
denominator.
12 is 12.
It's called the denominator. Okay, 25 are attending regularly. Yes. 2 more students should come. Yes. So, therefore, 1 part out of 12. What is the fraction here? How will you denote that fraction? 1 by 12. And 1 by 12, 12 is, what is the name for 12? Rolls. What is the name for 12? Denominator. What is the name for 1?
Ma'am, numerator.
Yes, numerator. Denominator. 6, then 2 by 6. What is the numerator?
Ma'am,
2 by
2.
6.
Ma'am, 2.
What is the numerator?
2.
What is the denominator? 6. And 2 by 6 is a fraction. That means you made 6 parts. Out of that 2 parts you are taking. You cut into 6 parts. Out of, now if you are taking the square, if you are taking the square and you are coloring it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 parts are there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 2 parts. One part. This is 2 parts. How many parts are there totally? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. And out of
Six
that,
parts.
you can represent using the
2 by 6.
diagram also. 2 out of 6.
Ma'am, so it is a 2 by 6.
Yes, it is 2 by 6. Now, if you are coloring one part, how will you denote it? 6 parts are
Ma'am,
there.
disturbandi.
Yes, now you are taking
Ma'am,
6
it
parts.
is 3 by 6.
3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you are coloring only one part. How will you denote it?
Ma'am, 1 by 6.
Denoted by 1 by 6.
1 by 6.
1 by 6. One part of the, so fraction means nothing but it is a part of the whole. Whole is 6. And what is meant by fraction? It is a part of the whole number. Whole. Now 6 parts are there. You are taking 1 out of 6. Then what is a fraction? 1 by 6.
1
Where
by
you will
6.
use these fractions? In your daily life, you are using the fraction because some fraction you will be given that, especially in birthday celebration. And if you are eating anything, if you want to give some part, you will cut it into different parts. A chocolate also, you can cut it into different parts and you will give it to your brother and sister, or whoever be that in their house. So you are cut the chocolate into 4 pieces and you are taking 1 piece. Okay. So fraction means what? It is nothing but it is a part of the whole. Okay. Is it clear? Now, how will you represent
ma'am.
using diagram? Now, 6 are there. 6 parts are there. So you can, 1 is dinner. Next one you can write.
Ma'am, we have
Yes.
to draw this.
How
Ma'am,
many,
can
what
we-
is the
ma'am?
shaded circle?
Ma'am?
What is the part of
Ma'am,
shaded
do you
circle?
want to write in notes?
No, no.
1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1
I
by
will give the
3.
notes. What is the shaded part there?
1.
1 by 3. 1 by 3.
3.
How many circles
1 by
are
3.
there totally?
Ma'am, 3.
There are
3
3
circles.
circles are there, and this is only 1 by 3.
Ma'am, only
One
one was shaded.
2 parts are
1, 2.
shaded. So how will you denote it?
Ma'am, 2 by 3.
2 by 3.
Okay. So this is a part.
Ma'am.
What is meant by fraction? Fraction is nothing but it is a part of the whole.
Whole number.
Here, what is the numerator here? What is the numerator? 2 by 3. What is the numerator? 2 is called the numerator. And what is the denominator? 3 is called the
Ma'am, 3 is the denominator.
yes or no? So 2 is called
Yes,
the
ma'am, it is clear.
Yes, ma'am, it
and
is
3
clear.
is called the denominator. So if it is a, what is meant by fraction? Fraction is nothing but it is a part of the whole.
Whole numbers.
Whatever you are taking it. So I will take these definitions. We can write it.
Ma'am, in the notes.
Notes we can write it. Some definitions, few definitions are there. Yes. Yes. Not there now. Okay, we can close it now. So we can do the exercise problems here.
Ma'am, you are writing.
Yes, we can write it. Definitions you can write.
Ma'am, we should
Yes.
write in notes.
In notes you can write. Well, how will you define a fraction? Definition you can write. Fraction is a fraction. A fraction means
Ma'am, can you send this notes in WhatsApp?
yes. Fraction means a part of a group,
Ma'am, today's date.
Today's date. Heading you can write chapter number. Which chapter? Chapter 7.
Chapter 7, fraction.
Fractions. Fractions means a part of a group or of a region. Fraction means a part of a group or of a region. Fraction means it is a part of the group or a region. Is it clear? So what is meant by fraction? Fraction is a part of a group
Part of
or
a
a
group
region.
or a part of a
Only
region.
definitions you can write. Next one. Next one you can write. Not this one.
Ma'am, this one?
No, no, not necessary. This one not necessary. Don't want. Next one you write. Write the fraction representing. Write the fraction. Write the fraction.
Sir, disturbance are coming from a
Yes, ma'am.
Which one?
is doing a freezing mute.
Freezing.
Yes.
A
Disturbances are there. Disturbances are there. Yes, I will open and see. 1 minute.
Ma'am, can you say once again the question?
Yes, yes. Wait.
Ma'am, we can take textbook.
Textbook you can take. You can take the textbook.
Ma'am, what is the page number of textbook?
Page number is 135.
Ma'am, is it
Yes.
exercise 7.1?
No, exercise. No, before that we can do some more problems. Afterwards we can do the.
7.1.
Yes.
Ma'am, what we want to write?
Yes. Next one. Write the fraction. Write the fraction representing the shaded portion. Write the fraction representing the shaded portion. Okay, so write the fraction
Ma'am,
representing the shaded
definitions are over.
portion. Yes.
Finish,
Definitions
ma'am.
are over.
Over. Only one definition is there. What is meant by fraction? That's all.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, finish.
And what is meant by numerator and denominator? You are knowing. What is the numerator of
ma'am.
2 by 4?
Ma'am, 2.
Ma'am,
Two.
2.
What is the
Ma'am,
denominator of
two is the
2 by
Ma'am,
4?
4.
Ma'am, 4.
The denominator of 2 by 4. And what is the numerator is 2. Okay. Numerator is 2 and the denominator is 4. That's much only. You can know it. Write the fraction representing the following shaded portion. So first one you can write.
Ma'am, we want to draw box.
Draw it now. This is the shaded portions given. Finished.
Drawing box and
Yes.
also.
Totally how many parts are there, Afridi? Totally how many parts are there?
Ma'am,
Afridi?
12.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
12.
11, 12 parts are there.
12.
And how many parts are shaded?
Ma'am, 2 by 12.
Parts are shaded.
2 by
So what is
12.
the fraction corresponding to it? 2 by 12. That
by
are the
12.
problems connecting the first exercise. Who is counting there? 1, 2, 3, like
Ma'am, it
Ma'am,
is Afridi.
Afridi. Yes, any problem? So is it clear for you? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So first exercise, first problem says that how many portions and what is the fraction you are drawing it or shading it. Okay. Any doubt?
breaking. Voice is breaking.
Yes. Voice is breaking.
Your voice is not breaking, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is not breaking
My
to us.
voice is not breaking. Then whose voice is breaking? Whose voice is breaking?
Ma'am, Steve said that.
Ma'am. Sometimes
Yes.
your voice is
Fractions definition is there.
breaking.
Afterwards,
Sometimes.
fraction is a part number which is called the numerator. Not for you this, okay? These are the two definitions. No need of writing this, you already written. So, how many parts are shaded? Second question, one more example you can take.
Ma'am, the first question, first one what?
How many parts are shaded? What is the
Ma'am,
fraction
2
of shaded portion?
Ma'am, so
What is
want
the
to
command for
write
it?
the portion
Yes.
2.
2 by 12, that's all.
Ma'am, boxes.
Boxes. How many are painted there? How many are shaded? You have to count the total number of boxes and
Here are these definitions.
yes.
Ma'am, this is the second one.
Second question, you can write it. I think all of you understood. No need of giving more examples.
No need.
No need of giving, no?
Yes,
You
ma'am,
understood.
I understood.
No, ma'am, it's understood.
Not understood.
Ma'am,
It is
understood.
understood, ma'am.
Understood. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally, how many parts are there? 8. How many are shaded?
And 2.
How many are shaded? So what is the fraction of that? 2 by 8.
2 by 8.
2 by 8. That's
2
all.
by 8.
Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
No doubt. Somebody's audio not muted. 2 by 8. What is the fraction of unshaded portion?
Ma'am, 6.
6 by 8.
6
What
by
is the
8.
fraction of unshaded portion? 6 by 8.
6 by 8.
Shaded portion is 2 by 8.
2 by
We
8.
have to
Whereas
write both.
unshaded portion is 6 by 8.
Ma'am, we have to write the both fractions.
No need.
Okay.
So I think it is clear for you. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am, it is clear.
Yes. So you are drawing the figure of shaded portion and how many portions are shaded and what is the fraction corresponding to it. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next one, you have to color the part according to the given fraction. You have to color it. Next one, next heading you can write. Color the part according to the given fraction. Second main. Color the part according to given fraction. Color the part according to the given fraction. Color the part according to the given fraction.
Ma'am, can we color with our color pencil?
Yes, you can color
Ma'am,
it.
so here we have to shade.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So first fraction is 1 by 6. Any diagram you can draw it and you can color it. 1 by 6.
Ma'am, first fraction is 1 by 6.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in that one fraction is colored. One part is colored. So fractions given, how will you color it?
Ma'am, we can color which row? We can color any row.
Any color you can color it. Color pencil or sketch pen.
No, that circle, we can write any row.
Any row you can color it. Only one part.
Okay, ma'am.
Any row you can color it. Only one part should be colored, that's all.
Ma'am, I have drawn.
Finish now? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Second one, 1 by 3. Second one, 1 by 3. Given the box like this, 1, 2, 3.
Ma'am, any diagram we can draw?
Yes.
I will write shade one row.
Any diagram you can draw it if you are any color, any box you can color it. One part of the 3 boxes. One by 3. Is it okay now? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Clear.
No doubt.
No doubt, ma'am.
No doubt, ma'am.
No doubt. Yes. 24 are there. Yes, is it clear, Anlin? Ihan? Yes. So you are doing the first one. You are coloring it and you are writing the fraction. Then
Ma'am,
fraction given, how will you color it? These are the 2 parts. Shall we start exercise problems now?
Yes,
Yes or no?
ma'am. We can start
Yes, you
there.
can say the answer so fast.
Yes, ma'am.
7.1, page number 135.
Ma'am, can you show the second question?
Yes.
Ma'am, right, finish.
Finish now? Yes. What is the fraction it is representing? 1 by 3. Is it okay? Is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Is
ma'am.
it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So now we can start 7.1, exercise 7.1. Write the fraction representing the shaded portion.
Ma'am, can you share the screen?
Yes. One by 6 and 1 by 3.
Ma'am, can you say the page number?
Page number 135. Exercise 7.1. Page number 135, exercise 7.1.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I found the first answer.
Yes.
My phone second answer.
Yes. You got it. You can. What is the first answer? Can you tell me?
Ma'am,
Ara?
2 by 4.
2 by 4.
2 by
2 by 4.
Second one, 8 by 9.
8 by 9.
Yes. Second one, 8 by 9.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. 9
8
boxes
portions
are
are
there.
shaded. Al-Asfan, are you following now?
Yes,
See the question in your textbook. First one. First one is 2 by 4.
can you read some more time? We are
Ma'am,
still
can you
writing
wait
the
some more
question.
times?
Which one? You want some more time to copy the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can copy it.
Okay, ma'am.
First question, all of you copy it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Copying the second one.
Ma'am, which question, ma'am?
Page number 135. Write the fraction representing the shaded portion. Exercise 7.1.
Ma'am, in the textbook or in our paper?
Textbook, no need of writing. You have to write in your paper. Class
Okay.
notes. Not need of copying in textbook. Textbook should be kept very neatly.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I
copying the
read
second one.
First one finished, all of you?
Ma'am, I all finish.
All finished. Okay.
Ma'am,
First answer is 2 by 4.
Ma'am, second one is 8 by 9.
8 by 9. Second one is 8 by 9.
And third one is 4 by 8.
4 by 8.
yes.
The fourth one is 1 by 4.
4 by 8.
Fourth one
And
is
the fourth one is 1
4.
by
Fifth one is
Ma'am, fifth
3
one
by
is
7.
7.
Just wait, let them do it. Don't go urgently.
The sixth one
Fifth one is 3 by
3 by 7.
7.
Wait, sir.
One is 3 by 12.
Yes. Sixth one,
Ma'am, 3 by 12.
9 by
3 by
12.
12.
9 by
3 by 12.
Ma'am, 3 by 12, ma'am.
Where? 3 by 12. Only 3 shaded.
Yes.
Yes.
Fifth one is 3 by 12.
Sixth one is 3 by 12.
3 by 12.
Sixth one only 3 by 12.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Three
first one
shaded.
all of you finished. Wait. First one all of you finished. Shall we go to the second one? All of you finished? Third one?
Ma'am, shaded means dark color or light color.
Which one?
Ma'am, I means
Dark color is shading.
Ma'am, then it would be
I
9
9 by 12 it will come.
9 by
Sixth
12
one,
only, ma'am.
9 by 12.
Ma'am, seventh one is full only. 10 by 10.
May I voice is low. May I voice
Yes.
Ninth one is
Seventh one is all shaded.
Yes, ma'am, 10 by 10.
10 by 10. Eighth one is
4 by
10 by 10.
4 by
9.
9.
Ninth one is 4 by 8.
Ninth one is 4 by 8.
10th one is 1 by
doing exercise 7.1.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 8.
Ma'am, are you doing 7.1?
Yes, I am doing 7.1.
First name.
10th one is 1 by 2.
My first name.
First main.
The 10th one is 1 by 2.
10th one is how much?
1 by
Ma'am, 10th one is 1 by 2.
1 by 2 means 4 by 8 it will come. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 by 8 is the same as 1 by
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Yes. Who is singing song there?
Ma'am, it is the volume of a TV.
TV. Somebody's audio not muted.
ma'am.
Adishwar, are you following? Are you writing? Finished all of your 10 problems?
No, ma'am.
No, still you are doing.
Yes, ma'am.
You can
10
do by
problems.
yourself. No need of my help.
Ma'am, the 10
Yes,
problems
ma'am.
are
We will write.
finished. You can,
We will write.
Yes. Alaspan, are you writing?
Second one.
ma'am, can I do the second question starting?
Yes, wait.
Am I finished?
Yes. Let all of them finish. How many of you are not finished? First main? First main not finished. Zeba not finished.
Clara.
Yes, ma'am. I'm writing the question.
Second main. Second question.
Ma'am, can I do the second main?
Yes. Yes, you can do it. Those are finished.
Ma'am,
Yes.
my finish. Second ma'am, my finish. Second
Second
ma'am.
also finished. Okay.
My see you.
Atul finished writing. Second main. Second main also finished. First main all of you finished. First main all of you finished. Shall we go to the second main?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Second main you can write it. Color the part according to the given fraction. 1/6 means how much you will color it? Only one part you have to color it. 1/4 means also you have to color only one part. 1/3 means you have to color it only one part there. 3/4 means you have to color 3 parts there. 4/9 means you have to color 4 parts.
I finished.
So, Stina, any doubt you are having? Any doubt you are having? Alasfan, are you doing by yourself? That
Ma'am,
time-
I am doing myself.
Yes. No doubt.
No, ma'am.
No doubt.
No doubt. It's very easy.
No doubt in that.
Yes, ma'am.
Adishwar, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, I have completed the second main.
Yes, Anna.
Ma'am,
Are
I
you
complete the
following now?
second main. Yes, ma'am, I finished.
Steve finished drawing? First
Yes,
and second main
finished.
finished? Okay. Who should complete now? Who did not complete? Second and third main, first and second main?
Ma'am, Fidel.
Clara.
Clara not
Fidel and
finished.
I
Ma'am,
Alas
Fidel.
not finished.
Ma'am, Fidel.
Pidhel also not finished. Okay, you can complete it. Take your own time and complete. You are having 6B now.
Ma'am, Fidel finished.
6B you are having now. Enjoying. Finish now? Adishwar, are you
Ma'am.
writing?
Fidel finished.
Finished now? Fidel finished?
Yes, Fidel finished.
Fidel finished. Yes. Stina, did you complete? Allah's fan finished? Yes. Shall we go to the next problem? Third main. Identify the error if any. This is 1 by 2. Is it correct? Exactly 1 by 2 is there?
Yes.
Half is there? No, one part is big, the other part is small. So
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
doing partiality. So it is not exactly 1 by 2. If you take the cut the piece into 2. If they are not equal, you will be doing partiality to others. So it is not exactly 1 by 2. Some error is there. It is not exactly 1 by 2. All the three parts.
Ma'am, how it is not 1 by 2, ma'am?
1 by 2 means what?
Other part is stated.
What is meant by 1 by 2?
Ma'am, other part is stated.
Yes. One part is small and other part is very big.
Oh.
Okay, you are cutting the cake into 2 pieces. One part you made very big and the other part is very small. So is it exactly half?
No, ma'am.
No, it is, some is there extra. Therefore, it is not exactly half. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
One
have a
piece
doubt.
of
Can you
cake you are 2 pieces of cake you are cutting and one piece is very small and the other piece is very big. Rolls, leave the meeting, no need of
Ma'am,
Rolls.
Rolls is sharing.
Leave the meeting and join now. Rolls.
Ma'am, Rhodes is sharing the
Rolls
screen.
is sharing
But
the
he
screen. Okay, now no. So, is it exactly half? Is it
No,
exactly
ma'am.
half? No.
No, ma'am.
One
No.
part is bigger.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you say the 7 point first question's 10th answer?
Which one?
The first question's 10th
I
answer.
also have doubt in that.
First question, 10th one.
Is it 1 by 2?
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 8. 4 by 8 is the same as 1 by 2. Cancelling by 4. 4
Ma'am,
ones are
so-
4, 4 twos are 8. They wrote the answer as simplest form. That's all. 4 by 8.
Ma'am, so both are same?
Yes.
Both are same only, na?
Which one?
I'm
Ma'am, can
like
you send
both are
notes
same.
to WhatsApp?
Both fractions are same. 1 by 2 and 4 by 8.
1 by?
Ma'am, both are same. That 1 by 2 and 4
Yes,
by 8.
both are same. 4 by 8 and 1 by 2, they are same. Because you are converting as simplest form. You can write all the fractions in their simplest form. Identify the error if any. It is not correctly divided.
Notes in WhatsApp.
It is not divided correctly. It is not divided correctly. Is it okay now? We can do the remaining problems in the next class.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
today
Thank you,